Hello all, welcome back. Today I will show you how to create a DAX measure to create metrics for weekdays. As we know, we have 5 weekdays from Monday to Friday, and we have 2 weekends, Saturday and Sunday. We have our data. So this is our data. We have a modified date as a date column. On the date column, if we want to know what are the day names, I'm going to create a column here with the help of format function. I'm naming this as day name. I'm just formatting a modified date. To show short date name. So now if you see, we got short date name. So let's see on the visual. So now if you see, we are able to get our dates here. So for these dates, so to calculate, we can also calculate in such a way. So not in condition or in condition we can use. Instead of doing this, so we have multiple ways to create this, and I will just show you a few of the ways. So let's create weekdays as well. I'm going to create another column here, saying weekdays. With the help of weekday function, I'm just going to result in numbering of the day. So Sunday starts with 1 to 7. So here if you see return type we have, so we can select a return type on here. So here if you see we have 3 return types. So we can either select 1 to 3. So if we select 1, so the week starts from Sunday to Saturday. If we select 2, it starts from Monday to Saturday. So it gives numbering for both 1 and 2, 1 to 7. For if we select third, so it is going to give us 0 to 6 number from Monday. Monday becomes 0 and Sunday becomes 6. I'm going to select 1 here. So you don't need to select 1 if you are resulting in from Sunday to Saturday. So I'm selecting nothing here. I'm just executing this. Now if you see, we got the numbers. So let's see here. So now I'm going to bring the weekday column onto the visual, and I'm not taking summarize. So now I'll just sort it on the basis of 1 to 7. So now if you see, we have 1 as Sunday and 7 as Saturday. So now I'll create a DAX measure. So let us take unit price here. I'm just going to place it here. So we have unit price. So now we are going to calculate the unit price on the basis of only weekdays. So which is from 2 to 6. So let's calculate with the help of measure. Weekdays unit price equal to. So let's say I'm going to use calculate function. So where we can pass multiple context filters. So and I'm going to take sum of unit price. Here I'm going to use filter condition because I need to filter the data on the basis of. Before going to show this, I'll show you another way. So we already calculated weekday. So I'll just take on that particular column itself. Let's say I'm just going to use. So I'm using not condition because I do not want to have 1 and 7. I'm going to take only 2 to 6. So I'm taking not condition. Not I'm going to take not weekday in. So for in condition, we need to take flower brackets. I'm specifying not in 1 and 7. Now if you see, we got the results. So we are not having the values for Sunday and Saturday here. If you want to calculate for weekends, so as we have used not condition, we need to exclude that not condition here. So weekends. So I'm just removing the not condition here. So I'm going to take only in condition where we are taking in 1 and 7. So that means we are going to take Sunday and Saturday. So let's see this as well. So now if you see, we got data for Saturday and Sunday. Here we are using weekdays column to filter the data on Saturday and Sundays or weekdays. Instead of doing this, so we can also do with the help of measure. because calculated column is going to add a physical data and it is going to increase the table size. So I'm just going to show it on the DAX measure now. So I'm just naming it as 1. So the same condition works. So let's say I'm just calculating it, calculate sum of sales. So what I do here is I'm just going to use filter condition and all. So on the modification date I'm going to use, and here we are using again not in condition, same as we have used over there. So here I'm just directly calculating my weekdays. So weekday on the modification date in 1,7. So let's see this as well. So now if you see, we got the same result here as well. So as we know, if we want to know weekends, so we just need to exclude not condition here. So this is how we can calculate weekdays or weekend sales, or on the base of weekdays and weekend, we can calculate any metric like this. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.